Hi, I'm Rob Portman and I'm the Product Sales Trainer and Product Demonstrator for both Combines and Forage Harvesters here at Class UK. I want to welcome you to our operational videos for 2021. These are the videos that you as the operator can refer back to for some guidance in terms of your new LEXION machine. These are going to cover both LEXION hybrid models and LEXION straw walker models. Now obviously due to 2021 guidelines, we as the Academy can't get as face-to-face as we would like to, so we have used these videos in their place to then aid you at any time through the season. For these videos, we'll be looking at the overview and the crop flow of both machines, the CEBIS settings and adjustments that we as the operator are making through the CEBIS screen, the LEXION adjustments, so the LEXION machine settings that we're adjusting both externally and internally. We'll also be looking then at the likes of the Convio Vario settings, so again, both these settings that we would be changing externally and internally too. Maintenance-wise, our own Martin Cartwright here at Class UK will be covering the maintenance aspects of that of the LEXION machine, and we'll also then take a look at the maintenance aspects of that of the cutter bars too. And finally, we'll be taking a look at the automatics on the machine, be that the GPS systems or our own CMOS automatic systems. Again, these videos are guides for you as the operator for in-field settings. However, we do recommend that you, again, as the operator, familiarize yourself with the operations book for all of these areas.